in round one, we're asking ourselves, is this adding, subtracting, or multiplying, right? On the test, there'll be a question that looks like this, there'll be a question that looks like this, and a question that looks like this, and you just have to be able to tell which is which. If it's just adding, we're just going to combine the like terms. Our exponents don't change when we're adding. Okay? If we are subtracting, it's going to be similar to adding, but what we need to do is there's this extra step of distributing the negative, but again, the exponents don't change when we combine like terms. Okay? If we see a problem that says like this is subtracted from this, remember that order flips. Okay? And then if we're asked to multiply, right, that's where like the parentheses would be right next to each other like this with no adding or subtracting symbol in between. This is where the exponents do change and we are multiplying. So let's take a look. In this first problem, I notice this is subtracting. So what I'm going to do is say, okay, that means this, this, and this are all being subtracted. So I'm going to bring down these terms, and then I'm going to bring down minus 2x squared. Minus a negative becomes plus 3x, and then this is minus 1. So notice each of my signs changed, positive to negative, negative to positive, positive to negative. Okay, now I'm going to combine like terms. I'm going to put this in standard form, so I'm going to find my highest exponent first. I notice there's no like terms with that one, so I'm just going to bring it down. And then I'm going to combine these like terms. 4x plus 3x is 7x. And these like terms are both constants. This is 6 negatives, 1 more negative. That's negative 7. Okay, here I observe this is multiplying, right? There's no symbol right here, so I'm multiplying. So remember, when I'm multiplying binomials, it's 4 steps. So 1, 4x times 3x, that's 12. X times x is x squared, right? Notice here, when I combine my like terms, 4x plus 3x, no change in exponent. Here, 4x times 3x, definitely going to be a change in exponent there. Okay, now that's step 2. 4x times 5 is 20x. Okay, step 3 is right here. That's negative 21x. And step 4 is negative 7 times 5, which is negative 35. I'm going to combine my like terms. Okay, now notice my exponents did change here, right? X times x was x squared here. For x times 5, there was an x being multiplied, right? But when I go to combine my like terms, these exponents are not going to change. This is 20x minus 21. I'm subtracting because they have different signs. I have more negatives. Okay, and I have one more negative than positive. That's minus 1x, right? That's minus 1x. And I'm done. Okay, and then this last problem here, let's take a look here. I notice we are adding. I don't even need to rewrite the terms. I'm just going to combine like terms right here. I could rewrite them if I want, but it seems silly. This is 8x squared, listen, plus 1x squared. Okay, I'm not multiplying here. I don't get 8x to the fourth. This is 8 plus 1, that's 9. X squared plus x squared, right? This is it. I'm adding, no change in exponents. Okay, I look at this term. There's no other term with just an x, so no like terms there. And then negative 10 plus 5 is negative 5.